Welcome back, everyone. This is day 4 of strategy number 2, and we're just going to get right into it. So, recently, this strategy, we have not taken any trades, dude. We are not trading very much with this strategy. But we're going to go on to the higher time frame, mark out some stuff that we see that price could react off of. And yeah. And if y'all are enjoying the content, feel free to subscribe, like, whatever you feel. You know what I mean? Okay. We have a liquidity sweep. I'm low-key looking to break structure with this. That's what I want to do. And we did not. We broke structure to the downside. Cool. All right. On the 15-minute, we are probably going to go down a bit more. No? All right. We have a 5-minute inverse. And today we are doing order blocks and OTE, so yeah. We would only be trading this candle right here. Cool, we broke structure. I want to enter off of this candle right here. Just barely missed it, man. Just barely missed it. Are you kidding me? It's like a whole nother market right now. Price reacting off of this. Inversing it. Wicking. Okay. I want to break structure. Here we go. I want to retrace to this area right here. I'm going to delete everything else because it doesn't matter for right now. Are you kidding me? Wait. Okay. Okay. It's like right above my entry every time. Yeah, I thought so. Okay. Cool. I'm entering right here. Wait. Swing point. Swing point. I want to wait for an equilibrium reaction. Nice. I'm going to enter right here. We did inverse this, but I don't know. I'll wait for one more candle. If it's blue, I'll enter. Cool. Okay, now I'll enter. Failed to make a higher high. Made a lower low, but we swept liquidity. We broke structure. Price is looking to retrace again. I'm going to exit here. I mean, I may as well stay in the trade, even though price could inverse. Okay. It didn't quite hit my take profit. You're kidding, right? That's absurd. $23. That's an X. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Cool. Yep, we took a loss on the first day. That is absolutely bonkers in my opinion. I think we should have won that, but whatever. Oh, then it goes up. I see. I see how it is. Cool, cool, cool. On the next day. Three. Four. All of them say 8:30. Cool beans. Hmm. 1 hour. That's ugly. That is uglier than ugly. Gonna be honest. That couldn't be more ugly. Well, 15-minute. We have a low that we swept. A low that we could not hit. And some highs. Cool, let's go to the 5-minute. We'll mark this high. And we'll go... Okay, we broke structure. We want to see OTE after a swing point. There we go. And we have the 5-minute order block. Okay, we have to wait for another swing point since... Yeah. Okay, now we have to wait for another swing point. Because price doesn't want to retrace at the order block. So since price didn't use it, I doubt it'll even use it once. We have a low probability order block that price reacted off of. I might use that. If we count this as a swing point, that's OTE. Sure, I'll enter off of this. Swap liquidity. Oh, took profit. Cool beans. Look at that, bro. Hell yeah. Day 24 of this strategy was a success. It'll probably keep going up. Cool. Let's go to the next day since we took a dub. Oh, yeah. Holy edge. All right, cool. So we have a high right here. Yeah. I'm just going to take that off. And we have this, and we have this. And I'd like to sweep this low. We'll see what happens, though. Price reacted off this order block. I doubt we're going to go lower than this, very much at least. We do have this inverse for value gap. I'd rather mark the inverse for value gap than the order block. And we're going to mark out this high. We're going to go to the 5 minute. We have this candle that I would like to react off of. Swept liquidity. Keeps going up. Cool. We're bullish. Nice. Was this last trade on a 5 minute order block? It was. Cool. I'll be sure to note that. 3 minute fair value gap reaction. 1 minute order block here. I don't think it'll work, I'm gonna be honest. Like I said. Inverse order block though. Here we go. Cool. Alright, we have 2 swing points. Equilibrium is the order block. Nice. So I don't see any pressure out of it. I'm gonna wait for one more candle. Cool. If I take this, it'll be a very bad RR, and it's a high chance that I'll lose a trade. I would have to wait for it to come up to this candle. And even if it comes up that high, it swept liquidity down here, so I want to wait for... Yeah, we broke structure. Broke structure. Nice. Looks like we reacted. 5 minute maybe? Nothing on the 5 minute. Cool, we have another order block right here. I'd like to go down a bit further before we trade this one. There we go. We have 2 swing points. Let's mark out. It's probably equilibrium. Inversed it. Let's go to the 1 minute. Reacts off of OTE perfectly in this one order block. Nice. I want to retrace to this 1 minute order block and then I'll take it. Cool. So we also reacted off this 1 minute order block, but we failed to create a higher high. We did break structure on the 3 minute. On the 5 minute, did we break structure? We did not. Well, did we break structure? That's the question. That is the question. Let's wait. I was going to short this, and I'm glad I didn't. Looks like a supply and demand day. Let's go to 12, 12:30, and then we'll look for some more stuff. Or we'll just... Oops. Sweet. We can delete these. Dude, I am hungry. I get hungry like every 30 minutes, dude. I think it's because I'm bored all the time. Alright, number 5. Number 6. Oh, number 7. Number 7. And can we make number 8? Wow, clutch. That is absurd. Cool. Alright. Currently in an uptrend. Looking like a bearish move. I want to see an inverse to the downside. Hmm, 5 minute. Yeah, broke structure with the fair value gap. That's cool. All right. Failed to create a higher high. Failed to break structure to the downside. Here we go. We're about to break structure to the downside. Lies. I lied. Cool. Retrace to the order block. I am taking this. Not. Yeah. I'm not taking that yet. Not yet. I want to break structure here. Just like that. Retrace to the same level. I was hoping to take it right here. But price decides to move up. I am taking this all day, I'm going to be honest. Cool. We break structure. Creates a swing point. Order block. I want to create a higher high. There we go. Liquidity sweep. A little bit more. There we go, baby. Yes, sir. There we go. 1, 2. Did we win the first day? Oh, shoot. Bro, we are cooking today. We are 3 wins and 1 loss. Hell yeah. That's good. Take profit was really good too. Dang. Nice. Alright, let's go to the 1 hour. Nothing too pretty. Price is pretty choppy. I want price to just push all the way past it, I'm going to be honest. I want price to go down so much. I want to see if price reacts off of it though. So, we're in the 15 minute. We have this fair value gap. Very fair, very valuable. We have these that we could sweep. And let's go to the 5 minute. Nice. Swing point to swing point. Cool. We also swept that. This could be the order block. We broke structure, reacted off of this. Fair value gap. Twice. Inverse this. Cool. This is great. Reacts off the order block. I want to break structure before we trade an order block. To the downside, of course. Looks like we broke structure on the 5 minute to the upside. Swept liquidity. Holy consolidation. Price broke structure to the upside. Price is going to break structure here to the upside. There we go. We see a push out of it. And we don't see anything crazy, I'm going to be honest. I mean, we have the sweep of liquidity, reaction off the order block. I want to break structure to the downside. But doesn't look like. Cool. All right. Nice. Swap liquidity. Break structure. All right. It is just too late in the day. Let's move on. No trade on day 5. That's cool. Take off all this. Nice. Did I not trade on day 3? No, we definitely did, right? Oh well. On a day 6, we have a high, we have a low. That's also in the weekly gap. And 15-minute, we have BPR. And 5-minute, we have a liquidity sweep. Nice. I want to break structure to the upside, but we break structure to the downside with the fair value. Cool. That is cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. Alright. Now go up. Good stuff. Is there 3 minutes anywhere? Bang. Look at that. Inversed this thing over here. Reacts off of it. Inverses it. And we're going down. Except prices consult. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see these flies, bro? I can smell you. Huh. No, look. It is currently 12. No, almost. 12:15. Liquidity sweep. Sweep. We break structure with the fair value. Order block reaction. Inverse fair value. No. It's just gonna keep going. Look at that. Look at me. Sweet. Alright. Let's delete all this extra BS. We got this. We got this. And we got whatever the heck is down here. Weekly gap. The inverse weekly gap worked like a charm, as you can tell. Wish I used that, to be honest. Honestly. Where's that weekly gap at? That's ugly though. Super duper uglies. Alright. The weekly gap has the nearest highs. Let's go to the 5-minute. Bang. Alright. Bang. Weekly gap. 1 minute. I wanna. Oh. Cool. Reacted off a high time frame. I want to see what price does. I want to break structure up here if we're going to be bullish. Nice. Oh. Looks like it's coming for a retracement. Failed to break structure on the somewhat higher time frame. Cool. Alright, looks like we broke structure. Let's wait for a reaction off of some sort of retrace. We just swept liquidity. Alright, dude. I see how it is. Go down further. You won't. No balls. No balls. No balls. Oh, shoot. One more, you won't. Swap liquidity. Inverse. Bang. That's a long right there. That is a long. But that's a long. That's a long. Are you kidding me? Oh, well. Psh. We lost that one. That is a shame. Somehow we have 3 more days left to go through. What the heck? Alright. It happens. Holy moly. Check this out. I'm going to take a high time frame trade. I'm entering this right here. Just kidding. Bang. Long. Cool. On to the next day. Alright. Looks like that weekly gap is still working, bro. Damn, that's annoying. Oh, shit. Look at that. Wasn't me. Alrighty. Cool. 5 minute. Bang. What the heck? What kind of lame candle is that? Broke structure with the fair value gap. Reacted off of that. Reacted off of that. Reacted off of that. Bet it's a 1 minute order block. Break structure. Retraces. And oh, here we go. Price is going to start moving now. All right. The reason I'm taking this. Order block retracement. Bang. I'm not going to take profit quite yet. I'm going to wait till I see a swing point. Like that. I'd like to break structure here. There we go. Do I want to take profit here? No, I don't. I'm gonna keep it up. Nice. Still in it. Still in it. I guess I got greedy. It'll come back for a retracement. Swap liquidity. Huh. Oh shoot, I can do this. Sweeps liquidity. Break structure. Retraces. Break structure. Low key, I should have gotten stopped out at break even. Wait. Whatever. May as well stay in it. Cool. You know it happens. What do we say? What do we say? I don't know. Basically, it was a win. It was technically a win. On the strategy, on the psychology part, it was not, which happens. Retrace to the order block. Retraced again, 5 minute. I want to see a break structure right here on the 5 minute. Cool. All right, I want to see a retracement. Nice. Broke structure. Let's go to the 1 minute. All right, I'm entering this. We did break structure on the 1 minute. Never mind. You're kidding me. All right. Look at that. That was close. Order block reaction or retracement and reaction. Fails to create a lower low though. All right. Break structure on the 1 minute. Fails to retrace to this. It's going to come back down. Break structure. Waiting for a reaction off of this low probability order block. Inverse this gap. Break structure. I'm entering this. Right? Am I? Yeah. GG. I mean, that's so lame. 1 to 1. Realistically. Still got stopped out. It doesn't matter. Loss is a loss. Cool. On to the next. Nice. Day number 10. I don't know why we're doing 10 days today. I must have skipped a couple days. You know that? Cool. We broke structure on the high time frame. We have a high right here. We have extra lines that I want to delete and get rid of forever and ever. Let's go to the 15 minute. Bang. Honestly, don't know what to do here. I don't know what to do here. I'm going to be honest. Swept liquidity. Cool. Chasing the next one. Nice. Alrighty. Cool. I want to break structure here. Nice. We did. Cool. Let's go to the 3 minute. There is absolutely nothing. I mean, inverse for value gap. I want to break structure here and trade off this inverse. But do we ever really get what we want? No, we don't. Break structure. Oh, that's market open, bro. Cool. 7:20 in the morning. Price gonna break structure to the downside. Nice. Holy. Bang. Nice. 1, 2. Cool. Nice. We break structure. Like, this is so ugly, dude. Market open is just like way down here. It's just too risky. Cool. Well, no trade. Today was the last day. Let's go over the win to loss ratio. Oh gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 trades. And we won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We went awfully. It was awful. Honestly, the worst thing ever. Where's the even more? Every strategy. Cool. Win loss equals 6 and 9. Okay. Honestly, you're not making much money. That's that. I was excited for nothing. Well, that's the entire video, guys. I appreciate it. And for those of you who made it this far watching, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what's up. Catch y'all later. Peace.